All right, let's jump in. Let's say you have two data sets. On the one hand, you have all the orders that have been placed at your store. So you know the order ID, the customer who bought it, when they placed the order, and of course, how much the order was worth. But then from a totally separate data set, you have the shipping information. So again, your order ID, the zip code it's going to, maybe a tracking number, when it's shipped out, and if you have the information when it was actually delivered. But now you're starting to wonder, well, did every order that was placed get shipped? Did they all make it? Is there anyone I should follow up with? That's where DataValidate comes in. We can quickly combine all your data sets into one single spot. So instead of running a bunch of VLOOKUPs in Excel, you can have it all at once. So let's get to it. So first, make sure your Excel file is set up correctly. In this case, you'll just need two tabs, and then the leftmost column of each will be what you'll match on. Don't worry about colors or bolding or even the name of the headers. We'll take care of all of that. Then you click to upload. And you'll put in your email address. Once you click submit, our process will kick off to merge it all together, and the resulting files will be sent to your email address. And there we go. Let's open it up. You'll find a quick summary of how many rows were found and how much overlap there is. Of course, you could preview it if you're in Google Chrome, or Gmail rather, or you can download it directly and then just open it. Here you can see the original sheets are still here, placed and shipped, but we've combined them in the new sheet called Combined Datasets. And on the left, you can see the columns that everything is matched on. The second column just gives you a quick if this row was found in both sheets or just one or the other. And then you can see all the data from both with the name of the sheet that it originally came from in brackets next to the column. So here we can see that on row, or for order ID number 2, it was only found in the placed orders, and we don't have any shipping information. So it might be worth reaching out. But for order ID 6, the reverse is true. We have shipping information, but somehow it wasn't actually placed or in our placed data set. So we might have a data quality issue that needs to be investigated there. Great. So thank you for checking this out, and feel free to go to datavalidate.bubbleapps.io and submit your data set.